Let's create a new text object. Tab, to edit the text. R, X, and 90, to rotate the mesh 90 degrees on the X-axis. I'll pick a new font for this text object. Please feel free to use any fonts. I'll extrude and bevel the text object. Let's center it to the world center, and move the origin to the 3D cursor as well. Let's create a new plane, and use S, and X, or Z to scale it. Ctrl-A to reset all transforms. Tab, to go to edit mode, right-click and S to subdivide it 15 times. In vertex selection mode, let's use the proportional editing to pull some vertices to make spikes. I'll add some shiny materials. Let's create a mesh circle. If you don't see it in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Let's convert this circle with 32 vertices into a curve. Let's proportionally edit the curve like this. Let's convert the text to mesh. Shift-select both meshes in the middle, and Ctrl-J to join them. On frame 1, let's hover on rotation, Z, and type I as in India to set a keyframe. On frame 250, let's change the rotation, Z, to 3600, and set a new keyframe. If we play the animation, we can see the mesh is now rotating. Select the camera, and type 0 for location, X, Y, Z, and rotation, X, Y, and Z. I'll switch the theme to the light one, so I can see the objects better. Let's move the camera on the Y-axis to put it in front of the logo, and R to rotate it to face the logo. We need track to constraint, and follow path constraint for the camera. The animation is working. Let's decrease the rotation amount to 360, because 3600 is too much. Time to add the linear extrapolation mode. In Animate tab, go to Channel, Extrapolation Mode, and select Linear Extrapolation Mode. Lastly, we need to animate the camera zoom. Let's set the focal length to 50 in every 50 frames. In every 25 frames, set the focal length to 1 or more than 50 to create a zoom and reset effect. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.